Welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little after 9:30. We're doing all coins this morning, getting ready for the weekend push. Have not really talked about probably about 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks. Stellar Lumens, and we are looking at XLM on Trading View and where we are. Things are looking pretty solid in terms of breaking out of this consolidation area. Okay, in that 50-cent corridor, that 50-cent channel. Did break out on the 4-hour, okay, which is extremely bullish. You can see it here after that cross. Boom. Relatively high on the RSI, though, is a concern. We're above our zone, really, for any entries, really, in terms of that, at least on the 4-hour anyway. Lower time frames may look a little bit different. But we've got this support zone here now, both on the on-chain metrics and the technical indicator here. It's got this demand zone above it, which is actually it's just above that previous elevated demand zone of 59 cents and 63 cents in that area in terms of the IO map, which is kind of critical. That means there may be some support on the on-chain above this level in this whole period of upswing, which is interesting. Because we've seen this kind of happen before back in April where it tested 69 cents, just under 70 cents, and then corrected back down. So in less than 4 weeks, we are right back again looking to test that level of 69 cents again, coming up most likely this weekend. But again, we need to keep an eye on this right here. Elevated RSIs, especially on that 2-hour and 4-hour candles. Looking for any indication of a red stick and a correction. But again, this is definitely bullish here. And the fact that it's popped right back on 2 sequential 4-hour candles after taking the hit back down to 60 cents here from really 68 cents there. Again, those are wixly. So you have to factor that into whatever leverage play that you want to consider here. Now, if you're looking to enter XLM on spot, that's probably not after this run up here. The bet would have been right here at your consolidation area, right in the middle of a lot of these addresses accumulating it. So you have that support. Going in at this level on spot may not be the best entry. I know sometimes that's hard to understand. When you hear traders, when you hear like content providers talk about not entering something at 60 cents, but then entering something at 71 or 72, it's kind of hard to well, if I didn't enter at 68, why am I? Because what you're looking at is you wanted to break that critical level of resistance that we have back on April 14th. Okay. If you buy at 68 and it gets to 69 and then corrects back down to 60, you're out of the money, right? Okay. But if you wait, it breaks 69, gets to 70, confirms on a 2-hour, 2-hour, or a 4-hour candle, and then you enter, you're entering in a better position, though you may have paid 2 more cents or 3 more cents. That's how you want to look at it, especially and even leverage traders. You can either play it to on the resistance level as a sell down, confirm resistance, then place a sell down order on leverage, or a broken resistance level of 69 cents. You enter a buy up on leverage. And that's how you play your resistance levels. And you have your support underneath you here, looking for whatever your cut loss very well may be on your leverage exchange, depending on. Now, if you're using a lower level 3x, 5x, 10x, you've got a longer cut loss, obviously, than if you're using 20x, 25x, 50x, 100x, very, very narrow cut losses. So you want to always want to make sure that your cut loss on any leverage trade is below support on your IU map. Okay, that's a critical strategy and technique to use that will save you time and time again. Because if it was to fall to the support, get support again and bounce back, you haven't been cut out of your trade. But if you'd gotten a cut loss up here, you would have had to have averaged down. All right, mates.